afternoon to everyone. I am Sujanthi from CSE department. I am going to deliver the topic of emergency research trends in Internet of Medical Things and Applications. First, I am going to explain about introduction to IoT. Internet of Things is the extension of Internet connectivity into physical device and every object. Objects are embedded with electronics, Internet connectivity and other form of hardware such as sensor. Collect and analyze device sensor data to take corrective and preventive action automatically. We are using a wearable sensor. That wearable sensor is every variety of sensor is cheaper sensors that have been possible to create a Internet of Medical Things. This is a stack of IoT technology. There are 5 layers in this stack. First layer is a device hardware, second one is a device software, third one is a communication between hardware software to the cloud platform, fourth one is a cloud application, fifth one is a cloud applications. In this the first layer of the IoT stack is device hardware that act as the interaction between the physical object and the server. The second layer of the IoT stack is the device software that is used to run the device preprocessor and control the functionality of the IoT stack. Third layer of the IoT stack is communications. This is used to connect internet to the transfer data. The fourth layer of IoT stack is cloud platform. In this cloud platform, we are going to store all the information in this cloud platforms and recording all the sensor information in the cloud platform. The final one is a cloud applications. The final stack is a cloud application that is used to run the top of the cloud platform and provide the end user with a way of interact with IoT systems. In this diagram, having 3 main layers. One is a perception layer, network layer and application layer. These 3 layers communication between the IoT based stack methodologies. Next, we are going to see about the IoT application architectures. In this architecture, having a 7 layer. One is a physical device and control layer. The first layer is containing IoT things that are sensor, device and machines of intelligent edge nodes of all the types. The second layer of the second layer is a connectivity layers. This connectivity layer is used to communicating the process unit in this application of architectures. The third layer of the application architecture is a edge computing. In this edge computing is used for data elements to analyzing and transferring information in this architectures. The fourth layer of the IoT architecture is data accumulation. In this accumulation is used to store all the informations in this layers. Fifth one is a data abstractions. In this data abstractions, we are going to aggregate the data and accessing the perfect data in this application layers. Sixth layer of this architecture is a application layers, that is a reporting, analyzing and control all the layer in this applications. Seventh one is a collaboration and processing. This collaborations and processing layer is involving the people and business purpose. We are using this 7th layer. This is the architecture of IoT architectures. Next, we are going to see about Internet of Medical Things. Internet of Medical Things is the collection of medical device and applications that connected to the healthcare IoT systems. There is a benefit of IoMT. IoMT means Internet of Medical Things can be automatically identify and track the patient health details, monitoring the biomedical device and helps the patients to intake correct medicine or not, and support the doctor to diagnose the patient diseases in an accurate manner, and also help old age people to take care of themselves. Next one is services and applications of IoMTs. There are different type of services that providing in the IoTM. One is ambient assistant living, Internet of Health, advanced drug reactions, communicate healthcare, children's healthcare informations, wearable device access, semantic medical accesses, indirect emergency healthcare, embedded gateway configurations and embedded context prediction. These are the services that are provided in the IoMT, and there are different type of application. One is a single purpose application, another one is a cluster purpose applications. In the single purpose applications, we are monitoring a glucose level of humans and ECG monitoring, blood pressure monitoring, body temperatures and oxygen saturations monitoring systems in this healthcare applications. Next one is a clustered purpose applications, that is a medicine management, wheelchair management and smart for healthcare solutions. These are the applications that are provided in the IoMT services. Next is research trends that involve in the IoMTs. First one is a research security and privacy IoMT. This is robust encryption authentication mechanism and acts as the control to implement and safeguard sensitive patient information. There are several type of mechanisms that are used in this security privacy. One is secure authenticate protocol, data encryption techniques, secure communication protocol, user friendly secure measures and secure audit and compliance. Their secure authenticated protocol is nothing but research and developing a robust and efficient authentication mechanism for IoMT device to prevent the unauthorized accesses. And data encryption technique, the encryption means the encryption method to protect the sensitive medical data during transmission and storage. Secure communication protocol, investigate the secure communication protocol to ensure the confidential and integrity of data exchange between IoMT device and to other systems. User friendly secure measures means study a way to implement the user friendly secure measure to encourage the patient compliance and accept the IoMT devices. Audit and compliances. This audit and compliances compliance with the healthcare industry regulation and standards. Next is IoMT data analytical and machine learning methods. This is used for processing and derive the valuable insight of IoMT generated data. The following methods are used for generation of data: predictive analytical, disease progressives, real-time anomaly detection, data fusion and integration, interpreted machine learning models, data privacy and analyticals. Predictive analytic for disease progressive, developing a machine learning model that can be predictive disease progress and help the trial personalized treatment plans. Real-time anomaly detections. This real-time anomaly detection is used for patient data in real time, enable early invention of critical medical conditions. We are explore the algorithm for that anomaly detections. Data fusion integrations. In the fusion integrations were integrated the data from various IoMT devices and other sources, enhance the accuracy and comprehensive of data analytical. Interpretive machine learning models. In this machine learning techniques are used clinical decision more. This is used for more transparent and understandable for healthcare professions. Data privacy in analyticals. In the data analytical method that can be extract the valuable insight from patient data without compromising individual privacy. Next, real-time patient monitoring system. This real-time patient monitoring system tracking of patient vital signs and health parameter using IoMT devices. It's provide immediate alert to healthcare provides emergency or significant changes in the patient conditions. The following mechanisms are used for real-time patient monitoring. One is a continuous vital sign monitoring. This is used for provide the more accuracy and reliability of IoMT devices for continuous monitoring in vital signs such as heart rate, blood pressure and repository of rate. Automated emergency alert. The such automated system that can be detect emergency situation and send timely alert to the healthcare providers. Wearable sensor. That wearable sensor is a technology to enhance to comfort the convenience of real-time patient monitoring methodologies. Integration with clinical decision support. This is a way to integrate the real-time patient data with the clinical decision support system and providing the actionable side to healthcare professionals. Remote monitoring chronic diseases. Study the effect of remote patients monitoring and manage chronic condition and reduce the hospital remedies. Next, ethical and regularity aspects. In this ethical regularity aspect related to patient consent and data ownership in IoMTs. It ensures the compliance with healthcare regulations and ethical use of IoMT technologies. This ethical ensure the healthcare regulations and ethical use of IoMT technologies, that is informed consent in IoMT. This is used to investigate the way to obtain the information for patient for the use of IoMT device and collect the data. Data ownership and sharing. This is sharing the framework to determine the data ownership and ensure the responsibility data sharing between patient and healthcare provider researchers. Fair data use and basis of mitigations. This ensure the fair and unbiased use of IoMT data mitigation potentially basis in healthcare decision making process. Regularity frameworks for IoMT devices. This is a development of regularity guidelines specific IoMT devices to ensure the patient safety and data security. Ethics in AI and ML learning of healthcare. This is a machine learning algorithms in the healthcare to take a decision making technologies. IoMT companies. There are various companies for using this IoMT processor. There are 3 main layers. Already I told you 7 layers. In this, based on that, we are implementing this IoMT software stacks also. First is a device edge. First of device edges. Middle edges one is a middleware platform. The finally is application software. Based on the application, we are accessing the management to end-to-end data and communication of encryptions. This is a companies that leading the IoT softwares. There are various companies we are using IoMT and IoT softwares. Thank you.